Hugging Face has 58,000 robotics datasets, and they all run on one open source framework. It is called lerobot, 26,300 stars. Apache 2.0 licensed, published at ICLR 2026. Training a robot used to mean proprietary hardware, custom data pipelines, and nobody sharing anything. Lerobot fixes this with one Python interface that controls everything from a $100 SO100 ARM to a Unitree G1 humanoid. 13 robot platforms supported out of the box: SO100, Coke, Reachy 2, Unitree G1, and more. The data format is just Parquet and MP4, synchronized video and state vectors, streamed from the Hugging Face hub. The models are state-of-the-art. Pi0, GR00T N1.7 SmolVLA. 11 vision language action policies in pure PyTorch. Training a policy is one command: lerobot-train. Point it at a dataset and go. It works in simulation or on real hardware. Evaluate against LIBERO and MetaWorld benchmarks with a single script. The entire field of robotics just got open sourced. Start with pip, install lerobot,